будь ласка, наступна доповідь докторки технічних наук, професорки, заступниці декана факультету цивільної інженерії Ченстаховської політехніки Улевіч Малгаржати. Використання вторинних матеріалів у нових цементних розчинах. День добрий, Малгаржата.
Good morning,
День добрий.
everyone.
День добрий.
I have a problem with presentation. You see my presentation?
Not yet.
Демонстрація екрана. О,
You see?
є, але не бачимо презентацію. О, бачимо,
At the moment
все,
is okay.
нормально.
Yes, I have a problem with Zoom. University have different program. Not, I'm happy this is okay. Ladies and gentlemen, dear organizers, at the first beginning speech, I would like to invite at the conference, especially for Professor Wiktor Militowski, to inviting me today conference. The next, I want to present my presentation, my result team about using recycling materials in new cement mortars. As each us know, the construction sector produces a large amounts every year, about 40%. This is very, very big. The concept green construction is extensive. It's not only save energy and also to using waste materials and reduce carbon dioxide emission. Every year, about 200 million tons waste are generated to energy sector, but building materials, when you make to use, we use coal from the hard and brown coal. But we have problem with fly ash to combustion on 100% to 100% biomass. This is a problem not only in Poland and other countries, where energy sector combusting biomass. Fly ash from biomass at the moment is deposited on the landfill. My teams every year work to another experience with the waste. 2 years ago, we investigated fly for biomass from the wood and shell core. The result with the present another publication. In his work, we changed mind and want to use fly ash to use polyamide 6. And when you made polyamide, we have many waste. At the moment, we use the waste polyamide 6 modified with fly ash and used to make new ecological building materials. You can see in table chemical composition of fly ash from the Poland company in Połaniec. This is bigger energy company in Poland, and combusting wood and coal shell. This is 18 to 20%. Can you see microscopic image? This is homogeneous, very waste. We use to first the production of modified polyamide 6. When you use 5, 10, and 50%. We can see in the table and figure, this is very different mechanical properties. These polymers are very good, better for the not modified polyamide and used to the many sectors. But when we production this polyamide, we have many waste. We see this on the picture. We use to produce a cement mortar. We use 10 different composition. All investigation were take application standards we could see in table. We use 12, 40, and 60% to the 5, 10, and 15 fly ash in the modification properties. As you can see on this figure, cement mortar containing the addition waste modified polyamide is among 12%. In the standard, after 28 days simple, is very high. This is a recommendation for us to the produce in the in the future. But when you can see in 7, the similar properties are the same. Also, there is good fluctuate strength. Cement mortar we added to modified polyamide 6, 12, and 40 is good, and make to hide fluctual strength after 7 and 28 days to comparably present simple. All cement mortars with addition modified polyamide 6 have lower water absorption than control simple and higher compositive strength after frozen resistance test 25 freezing and thawing cycle. This is good because the weather sometimes is bad. All microscopic cement mortar with waste, polyamide, and fly ash is homogeneous, and dominant elements is aluminum, silicon, and calcium. We have also tested for the leaching ion, very dangerous, zinc, copper, chromium, lead. As you can see in the table, the metal ion concentration is lower than limit in the water. You must to reduce in the solid. This is very good result. Last week we have published our results when many details you can see in his publication. I think when preparing this conference, we know the result is publication, but at the moment, we can study this exact. General, this is very good. The new invitation concept use fly ash with at the moment not have any useful, but to use produce polyamide 6 and next to use our company, because using 20 polyamide waste with 5 fly ash is good properties, good parameters, mechanical parameters, and analysis obtained result have produce is the future is with good economy, because when we use waste, we reduce consumes with natural scent and not high emission dioxin 5. I think this is good for the NUCs. At the moment, I want to invite all to conference in Częstochowa November and publish to our journal in the University Construction Optimized Energy Potential. You details and you see on website. Thank you for your attention. We don't have any time, but I think also interesting another concept to send green construction, not only to building economic, but use recycling materials. This is, I think, very important. The future and the new materials are also ecological and have good parameter to the new building. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Дякую bardzo, Малгаржата. Будь ласка, в кого є запитання? Запитань немає. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.